Hi guys, before we start the creation of the navigation bar in OceanWP TM in WordPress, you should have been created all of your pages that they can appear in the navigation bar. Without further ado, let's get started.
Right now, we will add a navigation bar that will appear in the top of our website and which you can find all of the pages of my website, of course. To do that, we will go to Appearance and then we click on Customize. And then we will go to Menu, we click on it, and then we create a new menu. We're gonna click on Create New Menu. And then we're gonna give that menu a name. I'm gonna call it Main Menu. And then I'm gonna click on Main, and then I'm gonna click Next, and then I'm gonna click on Add Items, and then I will add the pages that I've just created. They're gonna show up here, and all you have to do is just click a plus. So you don't have to add that home which tells costume link because we're gonna delete it. So you just add pages that we've just created from the plus here. So home without the custom link, and then about, we're gonna click on plus, and then portfolio, we're gonna click on plus, and then we're gonna click on plus on service and contacts. And as you can see, guys, now we have a navigation bar, and it's of course customizable. We're gonna customize it right now. And if you want like an under page under something, then you just have to drag it a little bit like this. And then if we go to home, then something gonna appear here, and then you can see home. But me, I'm gonna let it just normal. I'm gonna get it back here. The first thing before we start customizing our navigation bar, as you can see here, it says place your content here, and we don't want this. So all we have to do is to come back, and then we go to top bar. We're gonna click on it, and then we're gonna click on general, and then we will uncheck or disable top bar, and then it will not appear. And then come back to start customizing our navigation bar. To customize our navigation bar, we will go to header, we're gonna click on it, and then we will click on general, and then we will start customizing the colors and everything. For the background color, maybe I'm gonna choose like I'm gonna choose something like black go into gray, like this. The border bottom color, I will make it black. And here is the style of the menu. It shows that it's minimal, and of course you can change it to transparent or to whatever the case is, or full screen. It will show up on full screen. We have to click here and then the menu show up on full screen, but I'm gonna let it minimal, but of course you are able to customize it the way you want. Right now we did customize the color of our navigation bar, and we will go to customize like the links, which is the color and the links and the h over and so on. So we will come back, we will click on menu, and then of course the position I'm gonna let it right, but of course you can make it in center or in left, but me right for me fits. And in links effect, if you have some transitions, you can choose something from here. Let's for example do brackets. So as you can see, you see the brackets whenever I touch home or some pages, there is that bracket. I all the time work with brackets because I just love that transition. And then we can change, of course, the link of the color. Maybe I'm gonna just put it white. White for me is good. And then the link or color, or what we call hover, is when you put or when you touch it, there's a lot color coming up like a blue. I'm gonna just let it as a default, which is blue. And of course, all of these things, they are customizable. You can customize it the way you want. And of course, this is like a spacing between the pages, but me, I'm gonna let it as a default. And right now, as you can see, guys, we have our menu like this. And all we have to do is just come back and come back. And before you exit this page to your dashboard, you have to click publish. Our website was without pages, but we did add pages, and then we did add our navigation bar, and we did customize it the way we want. So if we refresh our website, then the navigation bar gonna show up, as you can see, guys.